We will now look to calculate the salary cost for the pizza delivery outlet business. To ascertain the salary cost, we need to forecast the number of people we would want to hire and the salary we would pay to the different types of people that we hire. So first, we will need to forecast the number of cooks we will need to hire in order to make the pizzas for our customers. Second, we will need to estimate the support staff that we will need in order to assist the cooks as well as receive the phone orders from the customers. Third, we also need to hire delivery personnel who would deliver the pizzas to the customers. And finally, we also need to forecast the number of founders we have to run the business. Founders also need to draw out salary cost, and as such, it is a cost to the business. Once we have forecasted the different types of people we would need to run the business, we would also need to estimate how much salary we would need to pay to each type of employee. So we need to ascertain the salary per cook, the salary per support staff employed, salary per delivery personnel, and the salary we would pay to the founders to run the business. We will multiply the number of people employed for each type of the work with the salary we would pay to each employee to arrive at the total salary cost of the business. Let us see how we can do this for the pizza business that we have in our Excel spreadsheet for the next 5 years.